You know, I didn't realise just how burdensome this guitar case was going to be against the back of my helmet. Hopefully, though, should be fine to sit. Yep. So, why is it then, Piper, I hear you ask? Literally nobody asks. Why do you have a guitar case on your back? What is going on? You going to band practice or what is it? That guy's probably like an Australian style hat. That's pretty cool. But I'll tell you, anyway, even though you didn't ask at all, the reason is because I'm downscaling the collection of guitars that I have and also getting a new one. And I've also just realised that I've totally forgotten to take my first aid kit with me. I know for a fact that the first time I don't bring my first aid kit with me is the first day I'm going to freaking need it. Well, let's just hope that that's not the case, eh? Go ahead. So that is why we're in town, because we're going to the pawn shop to pawn off my guitar. Which is a little bit sad, because I've already pawned off my bass. My bass is already there. Had to make 2 trips. But I'll see you when we get there. Or when we get back, even. Alright, so we are now on our way to the music shop because we need some new strings for this guitar. So this guitar is going to be tuned to drop C. I don't know what this guy in front in the Range Rover is doing. Also, if you hear squeaks, it's because my helmet is like rubbing against this guitar case. Alright, we're here. I shall be back shortly.
I've seen one of those before.
Oh, Zontas?
Yeah.
They're good, to be fair.
Chinese?
Yeah.
I've heard these are a lot better than most other Chinese bikes.
Yeah, they are.
It's a 125,
Yeah. Still on those pesky L plates.
Reminds me when I had to take my old plates off to go to Devon once. we couldn't do all the back roads. And we started off at midnight. The old plates off and went down the motorway. On 125s and nearly killed us. All over the place with the lorries.
Yeah, 70 on a 125.
We tried.
Yeah, you try.
Mine was a trials bike as well, so it was knobbly tyres and a bit like this.
Oh no.
Good fun though, we survived.
Well, I mean, you're still here, that's what matters, isn't it? And the fact you had fun as well makes it even better.
I had a full berth tent on the back as well. Couldn't get the front wheel down.
Oh god, yeah. I can imagine.
Ex-army tent. So, couldn't get the front wheel on the floor. Good on juice as well.
It is, to be fair, about 100 miles a gallon.
Really?
16 litre tank, so you get about 400 miles out of it.
Well, that's alright, isn't it?
Yeah, it's fun to be on. It's comfy as well.
Nice and low.
Yeah, 700mm seat height.
Excellent. You take care.
You as well.
Have fun.
That guy's super cool. Alright, so we're on our way home now. It's really nice to talk to that guy outside the shop. But yeah, I got some shoulder strap locks, I got some new strings, and I got some guitar picks as well, because every time I go there I have to get a set of guitar picks. You can never have too many guitar picks. They always get lost, dude. They always get lost.
Day 2.
Yeah, we gotta head back to the music shop today. My pickups have a really low output after cleaning the guitar. But first I'm gonna head to Morrison's to get these bags sorted, because at the moment I can barely even get on the bike, especially with this guitar on my back. I can take that in for you if you want.
Oh yeah, that'd be great. Thank you very much.
Not a problem, have a good day. I literally said I'd take this guy's basket in for him, because I'm going to Morrison's anyway, so I just thought, why not? I'm just carrying this impost thing in there. So that's been sorted. Let's go ahead, bring this basket back into the store and get what we need to get. Oh, by the way, this is going to be the last time you see this freaking quad lock bone mount. Don't get me wrong, I love quad lock, but you'll see what I'm going to be getting to replace that in the next video, where I go to my friend's house and take the drone up, because there is going to be a car test solar eclipse, I'm pretty sure. And apparently it's going to be the best one with like, what, 98% coverage? So I'll be wearing sunglasses, don't worry. I know it's not proper eclipse glasses or whatever, but it's better than nothing. And I'll be taking my drone up, and it's probably going to be the best one in our lifetime until like 2090. Alright, so here at the music shop, we will see what they say about this guitar. They probably won't even get to it today, because according to the guitar tech Rob, it is incredibly busy there. Right, so guitar has been fixed already, and I was only in there for what, half hour? I'll show you what she looks like actually. See if we can get her in the sun. I can see the reflection of the floor. But that is the new guitar. I'm wearing one glove like Michael Jackson. So it turns out the problem was apparently alright, you indicated right, what are you doing? The problem was apparently when I took the control knobs off to clean the body of the guitar, I had knocked one of the pots out of line, and I must have messed up one of the solders. So what Rob the guitar tech did was he actually took the back plate off the guitar where all the electrics are, and he resoldered the connection which had shorted. Apparently he said there was a short somewhere as well, I think. Like I say, I was in there for about half an hour. And he did all of this free of charge, by the way, which is amazing. What are you doing parked in the bike lane? Why would you park in the bike lane, bro?
So I totally just realized that I hadn't recorded an outro to this video, so I have to do it literally 3 hours before the upload is due.
Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Had a bit of trouble with the editing on this one, but it seemed to have worked out in the end. If you did enjoy this video and want to see more of my shenanigans, the next time the like button attends a formal event, make sure their dress shirt has mustard stains all over it. Also, please consider subscribing to the channel, as around 94% of people who watch my content aren't subscribed yet. It's free, takes one click, and it helps me out more than you think. There will be a QR code on screen right now where you can scan with your phone if you're watching on a TV. and below that is going to be a video that YouTube thinks that you will love to watch. So go ahead and click on that. Also turn on all notifications so you never miss an upload, and for reference, I upload every Monday and Wednesday at 4 PM GMT or BST depending on the time of year. But with that being said, thank you again for watching. I hope you had a great weekend, and I hope you have a great week ahead. Stay safe and keep the rubber side down.